Hello kids, hope you are all happy and confident to learn how to write Swar E in 5 lines. But before that children, let's revise Swar in order. Let's revise Swar children. A, E, U, Ri, E, O, Au, Ang, Now children, daily revise Swar in this manner.
है और से होता है अचकन, से होता है अजगर और से होता है टेस्टी टेस्टी अमरूद। और क्या होता है? से होता है अनार और से ही होता है अनानास। अब ये कौन सा स्वर आया? ये है आ और आ से होता है आग और आ से होता है आलू और आ से होता है आम। और ये क्या आई? ये है आ से आरी।
Now children, we will learn various words of Swar E which you have to remember always. E से idli, E से इमली, E से इंजन, E से इमारत, E से इलायची, E से इत्र, E से इंद्रधनुष। Children, to get you all in mood of writing Swar E, let's do this activity. Children, now we will be doing the fun activity of Swar Pehchaniye. Here, few swars are given on this paper. You have to recognize Swar E, that is Choti E, E se Imli, E se Imarat, and put the bangle on Swar E. Now we will proceed. This is A. So A se Am. So we will put the bangle here? No. Now this is Choti E. E se Imli. E se Imli Khatti Meeti. So we will put the bangle on Swar E. Now this is E. E se Eek. So we will put the bangle here? No. This is Ah. Ah se Kuch Nahi. We will not put the bangle here. This is U. U se Ullu. So we will put the bangle here? No. This is E. E se Istri. So we will put the bangle on Swar E. This is Choti E. That is E se Imarat. So we will put the bangle on Swar E. This is Bada U. That is U se Oot. We will put the bangle here? No. Now this is Swar A. A se Anar. So we will not put the bangle on this. So likewise, children, see, we have done recognition of Swar and we have put the Bengal on Swar E only. Whenever you get the time, children, do this activity and learn recognition of Swar in a playful manner. Thank you. Happy children? Now let's learn to write Swar E in 5 lines. Now children, I will teach you how to write E in 5 lines. So see here, in Hindi we write in 5 lines. This is pink line, 3 lines are blue and then the pink line. But we write the Swar and Vyanjan in 3 blue lines. First we will do the tracing of E. See children, small standing line, C curve, come till the first blue line, then take curve, again reverse C, go up, draw a circle, come down with slanting line, sleeping line on the top, that is Shiro Rekha. Now children, again we will trace the dotted lines. Standing line, C curve, reverse C, go up, make a circle, come down with a slanting line and then sleeping line on the top, that is Shiro Rekha. Now children, we will write Swar E without dotted lines. We will be writing in 3 blue lines. See, standing line, small standing line children, then C curve till the second blue line, again reverse C till the third blue line, go up little bit, make a circle and come down with a slanting line. Here slanting line should not touch the red line, and sleeping line on the top, that is Shiro Rekha. Now one more time we will write. Standing line till the, it will come, standing line will come children between 2 blue lines. C curve till the second blue line, then reverse C till the third blue line, go up, make a small circle, come down with a slanting line and Shiro Rekha. See, if you do the Swar E with different patterns, it would be easier for you children. Children, excited to draw pictures related to Swar E? Chalo, I will teach you in simple way. E se Imli. We will be first drawing E se Imli. Sleeping line, standing line, 1C, 2C, again 3C. Then children, where there is standing line, start from there. 1 reverse C, 2 reverse C, 3 reverse C. Dekho, we have drawn Imli. E se Imli. Children, we will be drawing caterpillar, and caterpillar is called Illi in Hindi. So, see how we will draw. Small circle. Children, see. Then One reverse C, again reverse C, again reverse C, again reverse C. See children. Now we will draw one big eyes, that is small circle. Then we will draw like this, sleeping line inside. Then we will draw one reverse C and C. Antenna, two antennas of illy. Then we will draw one, two standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, again two standing line. See children, how it looks? So simple. So now we will revise. E se istri, E se imarti, E se imli, and E se illi. Now children, you are thorough with different examples of Swar E. So I will now explain you the worksheet. Now children, in this worksheet you have to match those pictures which start with Swar E. The first picture is of A se am, which you will not match. The second picture is E se imli, that you will match. The third is E se istri, that also you will match. U se ullu, you will not match. A se almari, you will not match. Then E se imarat, again this also you will match with Swar E. So children, now you understood the worksheet and you know various things which start with Swar E. So you will easily be able to do the worksheet on your own. Now children, do written practice of Swar E in 5 lines. Till then, bye.